Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add indicators to graph view on Robinhood Legend. All right, so let's begin with the video. So right here, we can see that we have our graph view, and let's say we want to add an indicator to this view. What we can do is go to the top right of this graph, and you want to find the indicators button right here. If you click on that and click on where it says Add Indicator, from here, you can search for any indicator that you want to add to your graph. So let's say we want to add an EMA. We could do that, click out of here, and now we can see the EMA on the graph. If we zoom out here, we can see that it's fully showing the EMA line. If we wanted to add another indicator, we could just click the Add Indicator button. Let's say we want to add a simple moving average. We can go ahead and do that. Now we have both of those lines on the graph. So that's basically how you can add indicators to graph view on Robinhood Legend. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.